Welcome! Samahan niyo ako gagawa ako ng simple form to ask the user to fill up first name at last name. Then isave ito sa database and will provide confirmation message without refreshing the page. Let's start. So what happened after saving the record confirmation message? Tapos ang input text were disabled. Meaning even mag-press save record ang user it won't go through. Let's have additional samples. Now let's check if everything was saved. Kung nakita nyo, lahat ay na-save. Silipin natin ang code. For this example I used jQuery and for the interface I use Bootstrap para madalian na. Since ang focus naman natin ang functionality sa backend, first, include ang CDN ng Bootstrap and jQuery. And ito ang form. The action part, I left it blank. As you see, typical simple form lang. With two input text and a submit button. Then below is where the confirmation message mag-display. Again blank din kasi will provide text part on real time. And this is where the action starts. Once the user clicks the submit button. Next visit, silipin natin reservation save file. To start with meron tayo another file for the DB connection. And this is how it looks. On this part, we make sure that we'll execute if meron post requests sa server. And that both input text are not null. And that's it. Once all set, save it as new record sa table. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa sunod na video. Please like and share.